to lose it. She's like a gun, and she ain't afraid to use it.
Come on, we'll catch our very last train, light our very last flames, and we'll knock it all back and forget our names. Cause it's our last night, and it's one last fight. We're the last one, the last one standing. The last one standing. Catch our very last train, light our very last flames, and we'll knock it all back and forget our names. Cause it's our last night, and it's one last fight. We're the last one,